G'day, it's Phil the Tyre Man here. Just down in the warehouse today. It's Friday, so I thought we'd just have a bit of a look at a few products. Today we're having a look at the Harvest Sugar Daddy. So this particular tyre, 23-126, built purely for the Australian sugarcane industry. We spent a lot of hours and a lot of days and a lot of weeks doing the research with the farmers up in North Queensland to develop this tyre. It's a dual bead. Like I said, it's purposely built for those cane haul-out bins. It's load rated as an E, which is up to 75 kilometres an hour. So it's really built for the tough Australian sugarcane industry. Yeah, if you want any more info, shout out and I'll be happy to come and have a chat to you. Thanks a lot. See yous. Bye.